Okay, hi boys and girls, it's me Savannah again. I'm with my little sister Savannah. So when we went out,
No,
Geena Bell. Saying I'm with my little sister Geena. When we went shopping, we got something. This.
You got this.
Yeah, and what's that?
Oh. So what's in it?
Slime.
Slime?
Yeah, and they say you got 16 slime and it's £8, and they say you got 4 glitters. And I thought that these 2 slimes was like glitter.
Yeah, so you
Yeah,
got 16 slime, 4 glitter, 4 sand. And it was from the works and it was £8. That's good. That's a good price, isn't it?
Yeah.
So should we open it and play with it?
Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go. Woo!
Okay, so boys and girls, we got this. And so Geena got the blue one. I got the red one. Looks like pink, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Because red and pink makes red and pink all together.
That's very watery.
Yeah. Like the ocean.
Like the ocean.
Or the sky.
Okay.
Now, give me. I got this. Give me that. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, that's really... Why is your one not like that?
Okay.
I think you might have to mix them together.
Yeah.
Okay, Savannah, I think you might have to put your one in the blue one.
Okay, how about you?
Geena, I think you have to mix it with that.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. Oh, that's very watery. Oh my god.
I don't want that to happen.
I think you have to keep massaging it in.
I want
I think
this
that's
to
waterproof.
go. I want this to go.
Sorry?
I want that one. No corner.
You want one like Savannah's?
Yeah.
Oh, sticky. I need to roll my sleeves.
Ooh.
I got a green one now.
Are you going to mix it with the blue one?
Yeah.
Go on then. Careful. Mix it off the one on the table.
I
No.
think it's stick. I need some glitter for this.
No, me too.
Okay, you can share. You can share. A little bit. Put a little bit in. I'll do it. Your hands have got too much slime in there. Okay.
No. Too what now? No, push the table.
It's massages.
Okay. You need some?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think I need a little bit.
Ooh.
That's too much.
That is too much. Silly mummy.
But that's okay.
I need some more glitter for that.
You got loads of glitter in yours. Yours is so sparkly. I can see it from here.
Wow.
Oh, Geena, yours is so slimy.
Mine is not.
Yours isn't that slimy. You've got a good one. You've got monster slime.
Yeah.
Like a monster truck slime.
Yeah.
Oh my
That's
god,
zombie.
Geena, yours is so slimy.
Like a zombie.
Yeah.
You got zombie slime.
Oh, the white is making green.
Oh,
I need some more.
you need to rub it in. You need to rub all of it in.
Like mine, look.
Look at Savannah's one. Oh, you've got zombie slime. Can you do a zombie song?
Zombie song. I don't know.
You don't know a zombie song.
Zombie song, zombie. I need some animal glitter.
I like your one.
Can I add some more glitter, please?
We've got a little bit of glitter left. Look how much glitter we've got left, guys.
Yeah, because you give me too much.
Right,
Give me
okay.
more.
Okay, here we go. Right, I'll do it because you've got slimy hands.
Yeah.
I need more.
Okay.
Find me and you. Hey.
And today we did some green and blue and red slime.
With glitter.
Yeah.
We're going for Sean later. You keep running around.
Oh no! She's stuck! The zombie slime! Let me get that zombie.